In this one also angles around a point is 360. Therefore, the sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral 360. The sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral 360. Let's see this example. Now we know sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral 360. This one exterior angle, this one exterior, this one also exterior. But here exterior angle is not given. Interior angle is given. Sum of interior plus exterior 180. So if this is 90, other half should be 90 because 90 plus 90, 180. So this one can be taken as exterior angle. Now write the equation x plus 55 plus 90 plus 90, 360 equal to 360 because 4 exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Get the sum of these three angles 235. So x plus 235 is 360. Now subtract 235 from both sides, then you will cancel this one. In here 360 minus 235, that answer is 125. Here this one, we used this one in previous problems. The sum of exterior angle and interior angle at one vertex of a triangle and quadrilateral, they are 180 degrees. Here you have to consider one vertex. Here the vertex is C. This is exterior angle, this is interior angle. Their sum is equal to 180 because there's a straight angle here. So x plus y is 180. Here this one exterior angle, this one interior angle. So their sum is a straight angle, that is 180. So a plus b equal 180. Now let's move to exercise, next exercise. Here all the 4 exterior angles of this quadrilateral given as symbols A, 2A, and 2A. So add them, that is equal to 360. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6A equal 360. Divide both sides by 6. Then A equal to 60 degrees. In the next question, first you have to find the value of x. Can you remember? Interior angle plus exterior angle 180. So if you know one value, other value can be found by 180 minus 110. So 180 minus 110, that is 70 degrees. So x is 70. What is the value of A? To find the value of A, you can write the equation for exterior angles. This one exterior, this one exterior, this angle exterior, this angle also exterior. 4 exterior angles are there. So write the equation A plus 85 plus 70 plus 140. That is 360. The sum is 295. You can add and check that. So how to find A? Subtract 295 from both sides, then cancel this 295. 360 minus 295 is 65. So A is 65. A is 65. Now you have to get B. Very easy. B interior plus exterior 180. So 180 minus 65, that is 115 degrees. So value of B is 115 degrees. Then part B, fifth question. What is the value of A plus B plus C plus D? What are the A, B, C and D? Are there specific letters? Consider this quadrilateral. Consider this quadrilateral, four-sided polygon. In that one, if we produce this line, this line, this line and this line. So A, B, C, D. A is here, B, C, D. That is like this. So these are the exterior angles of that quadrilateral. So what is the sum of exterior angles of quadrilateral? A, B, C and D, sum of exterior angles of quadrilateral 360. So you can write that as 360. That is the sum of these angles. Roman number 2, what is the value of B, C and E? B, C and E. B, C and E are at vertices of a triangle. E, exterior angle of a triangle. E, B and C are exterior angles of a triangle. So, E, B and C equal to 360 because exterior angle, sum of exterior angles of a triangle 360 degrees. Now, Roman number 3, according to the answers of Roman number 1 and 2, that means using these two results, answers of 1 and 2 means you have to use these two results in next problem. Show that E equal A plus D. E equal A plus D. Can you see some similarity in these two equations? Here B plus C is there. Here also B plus C is there. So if you remove this B plus C, then AD will remain from one side. E will remain in other side. So you have to take you have to consider that. So we want to remove B plus C. Now we are going to do that. First write the second result. B plus C equal 360. Now we want to remove B plus C. Therefore, we keep B plus C in left hand side. Subtract E from both sides. So you can cancel this E in the other side minus E. So B plus C equal 360 minus E. Now get the results of part 1. So write the reason as from 1 because we write this result from Roman number 1. Now for the place of B plus C, substitute this. B plus C is 360 minus E. 360 minus E. Remove this B plus C and put 360 minus E to that place. So what will remain? A and D will remain. remove this p plus c and put 360 minus c. Then a 360 minus c plus d remain. We want to remove this minus e. How to remove this minus e? Put plus e to both sides. Put plus e to both sides. Then cancel this minus e with plus e. In the left hand side, a and 360 and d remain. A plus 360 plus d. Here I have to write e also here. E should be there. 360 plus e. Here also that e is there. So a plus 360 plus d equal 360 plus e. Now we want to remove 360. How to remove plus 360? Put minus 360 to both sides. So cancel this 360 with this one. This 360 with this one. So a and d remain in left hand side. A plus d. In other side e remains. So a plus d equal e. But we want e equal a plus d. So you can change the side. E go to here. A plus d go to other side. E equal a plus d. Simply what we did here is we applied sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral 360. Sum of exterior angles of a triangle 360. We applied that. And after that for b plus c we substituted using these two equations and got this result. So what we learn from this lesson, what we have to use when we doing this kind of problems. The sum of interior angles of a triangle 180. Remember that sum of interior angles 180, sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral 360. Sum of exterior angles of both triangle and quadrilateral 360. Okay. You have to remember these results. Okay. Today I will end up the lesson. Thank you.